You want to guide new clients or students step by step automatically. In this video, I will show you how to send a multi-step onboarding in GoHighLevel so your users get a smooth and automated welcome experience. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity, and we help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure hit the bell icon so you never miss our easy tech tutorial. And obviously check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and get some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description to grab the offer, and let's get back to the video. So to do that, once you are inside of GoHighLevel, just head over to this automation and click on this create workflow to create a new workflow. Then go with this start from scratch. Now change the name and give it a name. Okay, so after changing the name, just click on this add new trigger and just set the trigger. Like you can set the contact changes, the appointment, or the order fulfill, or the order submitted. But for example, in this video I'm going with this form submitted. If someone submit a form, I can set specifically a single form here. So doing that, then click on this save and click on this plus icon here to add the first action. So we are going to set the multi-step point here, the action point here. So first of all, let's say I want to send a welcome email to this new user. So I'm just setting the action as the email, then set our official email here, welcome to Easy Access Tech, then write the welcome email message here. So I have write for my, okay, so then click on this save here. Okay, so the new user already got their welcome email. Now next, let's say I want to send a message here. So search for the SMS and set the SMS here and write the SMS. Okay, then I have created this email or this message for this targeted client or the lead, but you can add a breakpoint here or the waiting time here or the delay. Then search for the wait, this one, and set it a 15-minute waiting or the 15 or 20 minutes. Let's say I want to add a 20-minute delay. So then click on this save. So it will be submitted the form, then it will take 20 minutes, then it will send a email. Then let's say I want to give it a again time for the 5-minute delay this time, and click on this save. And then I want to send a SMS here, then click the SMS, then write your SMS here. Okay, for example, I'm just writing this, then click on this save. Then let's say you want to instruct your lead by again send email, then write your business email or the professional email here, then write the subject, then write your email here, then click on this save, and that's it basically. So this is how you can build your first multi-step onboarding in GoHighLevel. So it's very fast and easy. If this video helped you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.